without you. I don't know how to live without you. To be able to create text like the one at the beginning of the video, click the first link in the description to access this site. Here on the Video Editor Studio website, scroll down to the bottom and you'll find the plugin with access to the pack. Enter your email and click download. Then, a few seconds later, the plugin download will arrive in your email so you can download and install it. After downloading and installing, open Davinci Resolve. Here I'm going to add a white background for demonstration, but you can add your video or whatever you want. Next, go to Effects, Titles, open the plugin called Video Editor Studio and click on Free Starter Pack. Click to open and select Clear Motion. Then you'll see some text examples. You can preview them by hovering your mouse over them. As you can see, in this Clear Motion Text tab, there are several text animations you can add to your video. So just drag it to the timeline and you can edit your text however you want, changing the size, position, and color. I'll set it to black here so it stands out against the background. And by clicking play, you can see your text animation. So I'm going to adjust the size a bit here and change the font. And here you can also adjust the speed of the text animation. You can change the entrance animation, set how long you want it to last, or even remove it. And you can also change the exit animation, making it the same as the entrance or removing it if you want. I'm going to shorten my entrance animation so the text appears more quickly. I'm going to set mine to 0.71 and this is how it turned out. Now scrolling down a bit, I'll go to exit animation and I want to remove it. I don't want it to be the same as the entrance animation. So I'm going to click on none to leave it empty. That way I remove the exit animation. Here you can feel free to add any text you want, modify it your way, and add them to your timeline. You can also create automatic subtitles using these preset texts. Just create your text, drag it to the media pool, and follow the automatic subtitle procedure I taught in the previous video. If you like this tutorial and these text presets, leave a like and subscribe to the channel.